Alright, so we got to see how the push blade is attached, and it's really not that hard. It's not that easy either. I really think John Deere makes a superior product in a lot of ways, but with the front quick hitch assembly and how the snow blade connects and the snowblower connects and all that, I have to say I really like the way Kubota thought through their implementation of their quick hitch assembly, and they call it the K-Connect. It's a stronger built unit. They haven't updated this for many years. It's basically the same thing that's existed since I think like the 70s or 80s, with virtually no change. It just keeps getting adapted to different styles of tractors, but still it wasn't really that difficult. But now we're going to start on filling these ruts that the dogs use to file their toenails, digging holes. So we're going to do that, and now it's not like when I first filled the trench and all the dirt was kind of loose and all that. Now I'm going to have to kind of scrape it off the top of the ground and push it into these ruts. I've never really done that before either, so, well, we'll all learn together how that goes. All right, here we are, here we go. So clearly it's working pretty good. And what's also equally as clear is that I need plenty of practice. Am I upset that the dogs dug in fresh dirt? No, not really. It gives me an opportunity to learn how to use this thing and learn how to grade and all that kind of stuff. It takes a little feathering, and you know, depending on the whoop-de-doo of the ground, that alone raises and lowers the blade. And of course, you're trying to grade and kind of get the whoop-de-doos out of the ground. So it does take a little bit of practice. But the point of the matter is, you are definitely able to use this snow blade to push dirt around and use it as a mini bulldozer. It's not hard to do. You know, depending on it can be a little bit of a learning curve, though. So just take your time and practice, and maybe in the future we'll see more YouTube videos of people shoving dirt around with their push blade. I think that's what gets people hung up. They're so used to calling it a snow plow or snow blade that they forget that that blade can do more than just push snow. It can push dirt too. And so it's not like I found some kind of secret or something. It's just that I'm using it for a different purpose other than snow. That's it. So I'm going to keep going at this a little bit. I've got a rut to fill here too. I got to finish filling that one. I've drove over the ruts with the tires. Now I've got to fill them in some more. And so it'll take me a few more minutes to do. And that will be that with this project. So, and I'm going to put a few little bloopers of what the dogs are doing kind of behind the scenes, but they aren't behind the scenes. They're in my face, you know, because I know some people enjoy seeing what the dogs are up to. All right, besides filing their fingernails. All right, let's continue having fun. Not sure I'm a big fan of calling it a snow blade. I think that lends itself to not thinking about the fact that you can use it in the dirt, as long as you take it easy. If you watch the last video, I kept the RPMs on the tractor as low as possible. I never went fast at all, even though the video itself was sped up. So it cycled through faster. Who wants to watch a half an hour of somebody going back and forth? Okay, maybe I would watch it. But anyhow, so now it's time to take the push blade off, put it on the pallet, and use the hydraulics to help us. Now this is the only second time I've ever put it on the pallet, and it's the first time in the first video is the first time I ever took it off the pallet. You know, using the hydraulics, or at least trying to, but nonetheless it still worked out good enough where I didn't have to pick up heavy weight and all that kind of stuff. So enjoy this little bit, putting the push blade back on the pallet. Relieve the pressure before disconnecting the lines. Yes. And now disconnect the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take them out of the loop. Neatly wrap them up and pull the pin. Let's push this forward a little bit. There we go. Tap that out just a hair. Oh, it's sliding real easy. No problem. And you know what? You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to turn this as hard to the right or left as possible to take that subframe out. And we gotta put this back on for the mower. Oh, come on, get up in there. There we go. Put the cotter pan back in, and that mower is ready to reconnect. So, I won't make a video of that. There's plenty of that. So that's it. It's that simple to take it off, and it really wasn't that difficult to put it on. So, make sure to go back and check out putting this thing on if you're really interested. It applies, obviously, snow blade. So, y'all have a good day. Hey, you, did you do this? Wesson, did you do this? Don't want to run away. Come here. Come here. Did you do that? Did you do this? Where are you? Well, oh my goodness.